Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a kind of vlog style video, but I did a little damage last night. Oh my god, seriously, I did quite some damage. If you follow me on Instagram, you might already know what I got. I did some damage last night. Oops. So, oh, the phone's ringing. I want to go ahead and unbox it with you, dolls. So let's get on to the unboxing. If you're wondering, my kind of jumper, it just says authentic on it. Really fitting, but anyway. So I went in yesterday. I called up my essay probably a week and a half ago, and I mentioned that I wanted this item, and I know that there was like a pretty long wait list, and a lot of you may know what this item is, but yeah, I did not know that they are cancelling pretty much all the people that are on the wait list. So if you were previously on this wait list, then you're probably cancelled, because they're just basically getting rid of the list. There's not going to be a list anymore. So if you want to send an item, you just got to call in to see if it's available, and if it is, they can order one in for you, but you'd have to pay 100% deposit. But I asked my essay a week and a half ago. I didn't put a deposit down because she's so lovely. Called me on the Friday to say that it was in. So it literally took so fast to get here. I was literally probably expecting it to be maybe end of May or like early June for it to come in, but it was like a week and a half later. So I'm pretty shocked with how fast it was. But anyway, let's get on. Here's the bag, proof of purchase as per usual. And she also gave me a little dust bag for the strap, because I like to keep my straps in the dust bags if I'm not using the bag. Here is the box. So, and it still has the cute little Year of the Dog envelope. She actually put it in a shoebox. So yes, pretty excited. I love my essay so much. Like, seriously, when you have a really good essay that you get along with and they really go above and beyond for you, you really are more happy with your purchase. I don't know if you feel the same way, but yeah. So opening up. Okay, so here is the item in the box. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, mate. Okay, here is the item to reveal. Oh my god. The Pochette Metis in Monogram. Oh my god. Okay. I'm sure you've seen so many unboxings of this bag, but here is mine. It has Louis Vuitton at the top, Louis Vuitton Paris, and here is the closure right here. It still has a sticker on, I believe. And my nails really need to get refilled, so excuse my nails. And here is the back. So my reason as to getting this bag in particular, you all know that I have the reverse. I'll grab it in a sec. Since the reverse has the light canvas on the front and the back, I have a slight color transfer. It's not really that obvious, but to me I can see it. So I'm thinking, I don't know if I should sell it, because I feel like this one will be much more better because you won't see the dark color transfer as much as how you see it on the reverse. But I'm still deciding because I really do love the reverse, and that was my first ever Pochette Metis that I got almost a year ago. Sorry about the phone. So yeah, I'm still deciding if I want to sell my reverse or keep both. But yeah, anyway, getting onto the inside of the bag. Here's the S lock. This one is stationary and you just push this one and it opens. And inside it has 3 compartments. Here is a little bubble, and there's a piece of like paper at the very back slip. And then here is my strap, and I do believe this is much more like pliable and flexible than my reverse one. My reverse one is pretty rigid and it is pretty like stiff, if you will, but I don't find it that uncomfortable. And then inside it just has the brown microfiber lining, if you can see that. And then mine, this is my first ever made in Italy piece. So this is made in Italy, if you can see that, which is cute. And the glazing is looking good. Well, it should be since it is brand new. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this piece. I really don't care for the like alignment of the pattern. I mean, a bag is a bag. My reverse is so nice. So here is the monogram and the reverse. The reverse is beautiful, but it's just, the back is just really putting me off. So I don't know if I should sell it. I really don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep my reverse and keep the monogram, or sell my reverse? Because I really do think I'm going to keep the monogram. Let me know your thoughts, if I should sell this, or if you're interested in buying this off me. Let me know. Just email me. I have all my details down below, or you can follow me on Instagram and like send me a message on there. Hey friends, we just got to Chermside and we went to Eat Street as well. And they changed their lemon iced tea. We're not happy about that, Eat Street or whatever.
It didn't need changing.
It was so good before. So it tastes like medicine now. Okay. We're gonna go get some Cafe 63. I'm so excited. It is 7:32 and they are open 24/7. Savon! Oh, that guy's really cute. See ya. The guy in the white shirt is so cute.
I've been craving salad.
That is so weird to me.
Friday.
I hope that it's not busy.
I should have worn this shirt tomorrow.
What's tomorrow? Oh, it's uni. It's our first day again. In one day? Whoa. The last time we came here, it was this time too, right? Yeah, around this time.
There are no birthdays tonight.
Yes. Yes. It's so not busy. We are going to Cafe 63. So we're just sitting down in a booth at Cafe 63 and I'm just loving the decor. Like, This is room goals right here. Does she even remember me? That's her salad. Yummy. Whoa, look at that cheese. It's amazing.